Welcome back. As you can see, choosing the right voice can be an important element to having your script read the way you want it to read, and having a stable, consistent voice is going to be most important. Again, 11 Labs has a number of pre-made voices. Two popular voices that you may hear on YouTube will be Antoni and Arnold. And at one time, a popular female voice was called Bella, although Bella has now been removed. A number of sites and chatbots refer to Rachel as being a stable voice and Michael being a stable male voice. So it's important that you test voices with your particular kind of content to determine which voice will work best for your audience. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.